Hello and welcome back to your DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Dispatch app on Android TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to hop over to your apps. This is a browser opening, but I don't want to use that one. So you could open a browser of choice. Any browser is good, but I'll go with the Google browser. So on the search bar, just come here and search for Dispatch. So DISPATCH. Launcher. There are a lot of games called Dispatch, so you have to specify that you want the launcher. And then end it with app so that you get application links and you not see too much chatter before you find what you're looking for on the search results. So the search results are loading. You're going to be looking for this version, the one from playgoogle.com store. So this is a web version of Google Play Store. Just click on that link. And after a couple of seconds, you have it here. So in this case, you see that it's not compatible with my device, but there are a lot of different devices with Android TV. So your particular device may be compatible. You see an install button here. Click on install and then wait for the download to start. So the download will pen for a while and then begin. When the download is completely downloaded, just hang on for an installation process that will be automatic. So you automatically begin to install. When the installation is done, you find the app available in your app library and you can just click on the open button to launch it. So do the process exactly as I've shown you, but when you get here, just do as I said, click on install, get the app and launch it. So it's not available for my device, but Android on your device may support it. So if you found that it's helpful and was useful, smash the subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.